Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we're continuing on US-98 South at mile 530.6 as we leave Avon Park and travel through unincorporated Highlands County. We're still sharing pavement with US-27 South with hidden State Road 700 and State Road 25 along for the ride. The highway is the Claude Pepper Memorial Highway, a name carried by US-27 across Florida in honor of the longtime Florida senator and congressman. Out here, the road is 3 lanes in each direction, with a grassy median and plenty of power lines on both sides. It starts out just a little rural, but the open stretches don't last long. The showers are still nearby, and we see a little more rain on the windshield, but the sky is already starting to brighten. Before long, the corridor fills back in with hotels, restaurants, gas stations, shopping centers, and other roadside businesses serving the northern side of Sebring. As we enter Sebring, the road remains a busy 6-lane commercial corridor, but the layout of the city is a little different from the development we're passing here. Sebring wraps around Lake Jackson, with most of the old city and downtown to the east of the lake, while US-98 and US-27 run along the west side. We'll get a few looks at Lake Jackson on the left, a clear freshwater lake with public beach, fishing, boating, and city park access. Sebring had an estimated population of 12,059 as of July 1, 2025. The 2020 to 2024 median household income was $44,184, and the median value of owner-occupied housing units was $191,600. The city was founded in 1912 by George E. Sebring, an Ohio pottery manufacturer, and chartered by the state the next year. Its nickname, the City on the Circle, comes from the circular downtown plan, where streets radiate from Circle Park. That downtown is away from this highway, but it's one of the town's best-known visitor areas, with a 1920s historic district, shops, restaurants, and the Sebring Soda Festival. Sebring is also known nationally for Sebring International Raceway, where the 12 Hours of Sebring grew out of an old World War II airfield and became one of America's classic endurance races. Outdoor travelers also have Highlands Hammock State Park nearby, with old-growth hammock, boardwalk trails, tram tours, wildlife viewing, and a Civilian Conservation Corps museum. Here on the highway, the tourism side mixes with daily services. We pass motels, chain restaurants, medical offices, gas stations, and shopping centers, with Lake Jackson mostly out of view to our left for much of this stretch. Here, US 98 and US 27 curve right and continue south, while State Road 17 continues ahead toward the east side of Lake Jackson. SR 17 is a local route that helps explain how the older towns on the Lake Wales Ridge connected before the modern 6-lane highway became dominant. Its southern section follows Lakeview Drive and Ridgewood Drive through Sebring, then continues north to Avon Park, where it reconnects with US 98 and US 27. There's a gap after that, and the northern section starts again near Frostproof, where it becomes part of the Ridge Scenic Highway. That scenic route follows the higher ground through Frostproof, Babson Park, Lake Wales, Dundee, Lake Hamilton, and Haines City, where SR 17 ends at US 17 and US 92. We've crossed or followed several historic north-south routes in Central Florida, but SR 17 is a good reminder that the old ridge towns had their own roadway pattern before US 27 and US 98 became the main through route. We conclude today's video at mile 540.2 as we leave Sebring and continue south on US 98 and US 27 through Highlands County. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment below, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.